Are you looking for the best dumbbells? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best dumbbells on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Amazon Basics 20 pounds Dumbbells. The Amazon Basics dumbbells are designed for your fitness journey with their durable steel construction covered in vinyl. This means they can withstand your toughest workouts while protecting your floors. The hexagonal shape prevents them from rolling away, making storage easy and safe during use. Plus, the non-slip grip ensures you maintain control while exercising, allowing you to focus on your form. With various size options, you can customize your weight selection to match your workout goals and gradually expand your collection as you progress. What we like: durable construction, comfortable grip, lightweight for high-rep workouts, variety of sizes and colors, easy to clean. What we don't like: grip may feel wide, material can slip when sweaty. Number 2. Amazon Basics 10 pounds Dumbbell Set. Get ready to build your muscles with this 10-pound dumbbell set from Amazon Basics. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or a beginner, these dumbbells are perfect for exercise and resistance training. They come in a set of 2, each weighing 10 pounds, so you can easily use them at home or at the gym. The neoprene coating ensures a secure, non-slip grip, making sure you won't have to worry about the weights slipping out of your hands. The printed weight number on each end cap allows for quick identification, and the hexagonal shape prevents the dumbbells from rolling away. With a product dimension of approximately 8.6 by 4 by 4 inches, these dumbbells are easy to store when not in use. What we like: comfortable neoprene coating, sturdy and durable construction, variety of weight options, compact and easy to store, non-slip grip. What we don't like: lightweight may not suit everyone. Number 3. CAP Barbell 66 pounds Adjustable Weight Set. The CAP Barbell Adjustable Weight Set is designed to enhance your strength training routine. Its durable construction features a tough TPR coating filled with irons which ensures the weights are evenly distributed and prevents any leaks. This set is incredibly versatile, allowing you to easily switch between dumbbell, barbell, and kettlebell configurations to meet your specific workout goals. The double safety collar keeps the weights securely in place, giving you peace of mind during your exercises. Additionally, the textured grip handles provide comfort and stability, making your workout sessions more enjoyable. What we like: versatile workout configurations, durable and leak-proof design, secure weight retention, comfortable grip handles. What we don't like: limited weight options, turn locks are stiff. Number 4. CAP Barbell 150 LB Dumbbell Set. Maximize your home gym space and workout efficiently with the CAP Barbell 150 LB Coated Hex Dumbbell Weight Set. This set includes a pair of rubber hex dumbbells in 5-pound to 25-pound increments and a black A-frame dumbbell rack to store them vertically. The A-frame design helps you easily access and store the dumbbells, while the rubber inserts prevent scratches. Made with durable steel and finished with black powder coat, the rack is reliable and can last for years. The hex-shaped heads prevent rolling and the medium-depth knurling provides essential grip during use. Use the dumbbells to target specific muscle groups or perform a full-body workout. Perfect for isolations, functional and HIIT workouts, and strength training routines. What we like: great value for the price, sturdy and well-made, easy to assemble stand, good grip on handles, effective for home workouts. What we don't like: strong rubber smell initially, minor rubber shedding observed. Number 5. Yes FORALL 5 pounds Neoprene Dumbbells. Yes FORALL 5 pounds neoprene dumbbells are perfect for total body workouts. The thick neoprene coating provides a comfortable grip and prevents the dumbbells from chipping. The hexagonal head prevents rolling away and the color-coded end caps make it easy to identify the weight. Customers love the quality, comfort, and value of these dumbbells. What we like: Great grip. Good quality materials. Perfect for outdoor workouts. Easy to carry and store. Cute color options. What we don't like. Handle size may be challenging. Weight may be limited.